Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And today's question is about blogging under a fake name. Well, the First Amendment does protect your right to be anonymous, so you can post and blog anonymously online. But here's something to think about if that's something you want to do. Why is it important to conceal your identity? There's a lot of reasons why people do it, but it's a good idea to examine why you want to do it or why you have to do it. And always consider the possibility that someday you could become unmasked. And what is the worst case scenario if that happens? Whether it's people's feelings are going to be hurt, might you lose your job? What might that do to your reputation? We had a situation in Phoenix this last election where one of the people running had been leaving comments online using a fake name, and when he was unmasked, I probably contributed to him losing his election. He was posting some pretty discriminatory and racist things. At least that's how it came across to me. So, yeah, so those are the risks you have to take. If you are going to be anonymous, you have to take steps to protect your anonymity. So my recommendations are whatever email address you use to set up your website, create a fake dummy Gmail account. Don't use your regular one. Never use your home Wi-Fi. Use public Wi-Fi like a library or a coffee shop, so that if anyone ever is tracing the signal, they won't trace it back to you. Never use any images of yourself. Never connect to it when you're at work or at home, so that way you don't create a digital trail of you being affiliated with the creation of this site. If you promote it on social media, again, don't use your own don't use your regular email address, don't use your own photo or your avatar. Yeah, don't do anything that would easily lead someone back to you. So those are kind of my thoughts on blogging under a fake name. It can be done. I know at least one blogger who does it, and I admire his work, but it's definitely a challenge, and it's always a risk of what's the worst case scenario if you become unmasked. So I think a person should be willing to accept those consequences before they jump into the realm of blogging or posting anonymously. So I hope this has been helpful for you. If you have a question that you want me to take up in another video, feel free to leave it below as a comment. If you have done anything anonymously online and you want to share about it, go right ahead. Well, I don't care what account you use to do that, but I'd be curious if anyone has done anonymous things online. Please subscribe to the channel, and I will catch up with you later. Take care.